Okay, 78. What are three other names for line P? Where is line P? That is this right here. How do I know it? Because it's labeled with a little lowercase cursive p. What's another way of naming lines? Well, we can name lines with any 2 points. So we could take points D and B from point P, and we could say DB. Remember, we need to put the line symbol over it. That's the correct way of doing it. Okay? We could also reverse the order of those. We can say instead of DB, we could say BD. Yet another way of saying it. We could also say instead of D and B, we could take C and D. So we could say CD, line CD. Okay. Uh, or we could say line DC, just reversing the orders. It's another name for it. Okay, so we've used DB, we've used DC, let's use BC. BC, we could say line BC, and we could say line CB, reversing those orders. We could take any 2 points on the line and we can name that line by using those 2 points in any order. Okay, that's it.